how are you all? This is Bhavishya Singla and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you something really interesting. I will tell you how you can edit this thumbnail using Canva from scratch under 5 minutes. Are you interested? Well, you should be because you are gonna know a really cool website that can remove backgrounds as well for free. Let's get right to the computer screen so that you can know the really good stuff I'm gonna tell you. Hey guys, this is the laptop screen in which I will be showing you how to make the thumbnail like this. Okay, for that we will open the Canva and we will open the canvas. Now first of all, to make the thumbnail look like that, as you can see, there is a university, right? There is a sky, purple color sky, and there is some text elements, right? We will be making exact same thumbnail in this video. For that we need the picture of a university, right? And so that I have the picture of university right here. As you can see, this is the university, right? I want to remove this sky from the picture. For that we have this website called remove.bg. Okay, now I will upload my image here, and as you can see, the sky has been removed from the video. Now I have already downloaded it and uploaded the picture in Canva, so I will just use the same picture from Canva. Let's go to Canva. As you can see, I have uploaded the pictures, so I just clicked on the picture and it came on the canvas, right? So I will adjust the size of the picture to however I want. I want to keep the main building in the center, so let's do that. Okay, I will adjust the height and it looks good, right? I want to enhance the image a little bit more, so I will go on edit photo and I will go on filter section and I will use the filter I want. Okay, as you can see, when I use this filter, the image has been enhanced a little, right? I just want to do that and I will adjust that how much filter I want to apply on the picture. I want like just a little bit, and that is all. Now for the sky, like in this picture, right, in the thumbnail, I want to add the sky. For that I will go on elements section, I will go and search sky, and in photos section I will select the sky I want. Like I like this purple colored one, so I will select it. As you can see, the sky has been here, the picture of sky has been uploaded in the canvas. So I will just stretch it. Now as you can see, the picture has covered everything like the buildings, right? But I want the sky to appear on the upside only, right? On the upside of building only, and not to cover the whole canvas. For that I will select this picture and I will go on position and I will select to back. Now as you can see, wow, it looks beautiful, right? This is the building, this is picture of sky. Now what is left? Only the text. So let's write here, let's write add heading in text section, and I will write, you can write anything you want, like text related to the topic of the video you want, right? So I will write Bhavishya Singla because I want to promote myself. Right, that's why I'm making that. I will select, I will change the color from here and I will change the font from here. I usually use Anton font in these type of thumbnails. I will enlarge the text and I will place it on the building. As you can see, the text is covering the building, right? But I don't want that. I want text to be behind the building. For that, I will go and I will go on position and I will use backwards. Now as you can see, the text is behind the building, right? And now I want to enhance the text a little bit. For that I will click on the text, I will go on effects section and I will select any filter I want. Okay, like I usually use lift, and as you can see, it looks like the text has been uplifted a little, right? There is sense of depth in it. Now how do you like it? This is the thumbnail that I have created for you guys. I hope you liked it. I hope to see your thumbnails as well. You can message me on Instagram as well at the rate Bhavishya Singla 1, or you can message me on LinkedIn as well. Okay.